Lego went too far with these products, but you'll want them. You think Lego is just for building? Think again. At 3, the Lego phone case. It looks ridiculous, but it's actually genius. You can snap on a phone grip so you never drop it. Build an adjustable stand, or even turn it into a steering wheel for gaming. At 2, the Lego mug. Why drink from a normal cup? When you can attach wheels and drive your coffee around? Or let Spider-Man climb into your drink, because why not? But one is just insane. Lego tape. This flexible, sticky strip lets you build anywhere. Walls, ceilings, your desk, turning your whole world into a Lego masterpiece. Lego, what have you done? And where can I buy more?